What's good, YouTube? We back with another mukbang, and today we got pizza, and we got these things, these little rolls. We made it with bread. It got chicken in it, cheese, and onions.
It got onions?
Yeah, but you're not gonna taste it. But we seen somebody make this on YouTube before, so we just wanted to try it, and I tried one and it's really good. Like, it's very good. And then we got cheese. We got what's this called? Spicy.
Spicy buffalo sauce.
Spicy buffalo sauce. Honey mustard
and spicy mustard.
And spicy mustard. And we got some fries. And we gonna say our grace today. We just gonna dig in, talk about what we gonna talk about.
Right.
So let's get it. Amen.
Those chips.
And we got Cheetos
For the pizza. I like hot Cheetos on my pizza.
Okay, so our plates look like this.
So we got spicy chicken rolls and
I
regular.
forgot about that. We got regular and spicy. And we use regular bread. We just fried the bread. So if y'all want to see how we made these, then comment down below, and I'm gonna make them over, and we gonna show y'all how we make them. Or if y'all seen it before, y'all already know. So yeah. Thumbnail first. Cause every time we gotta get this thumbnail, cause every time
I don't know which one is spicy.
Those spicy and these.
I know. I put them on my plate already, so I don't know.
So
I'm just gonna grab the ones back that I had.
Alright, we finna do this thumbnail real quick. Then alright, come on. Alright. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Can I get some fries? Oh, that's the one you opened.
You sure?
Yeah, let me get some fries. Because the other one's not falling apart like that. Oh,
no cussing, y'all.
girl, I said, oh.
You trying to crack down on cussing stuff.
I need some ketchup. I like ketchup on my fries.
Right, we should have got ketchup too. But we finna try this sauce out.
I'm gonna eat some cheese.
Try this sauce out. Cheese.
That cheese tastes like these taste like nacho fries, don't they? From Taco Bell.
We can make nacho fries.
Cause I promise you, this is what this exactly tastes like.
All right, y'all.
So,
I'm finna try this with every sauce. This how it look on the inside. This the spicy one, I think.
yeah, this is like the buffalo one. Let's try it with cheese first. Yeah, I dipped a lot. This cheese is smoking. That's good. That's good.
Let's dip it in
buffalo.
It is spicy.
I dip a lot of sauce. I don't be trying to. That's good. I think I like the buffalo better. It's real hot though.
If y'all be hungry when y'all watch these videos, like this video.
And you ever say, what you gonna try next?
This.
What's that? Honey mustard?
Right there.
That's not the same thing.
Yes, it is. Look.
This is the spicy mustard. That's good.
Oh, look at a little spice.
It's good.
So now we trying
Honey
the
mustard.
honey mustard with it. It's good.
I like it. I like all of them.
Which one you like the best?
The buffalo.
Me too. I'm gonna eat my pizza with everything too.
I need some of these.
I was gonna crunch some of them up and put them on my pizza, but I don't feel like it. I'm gonna just eat.
Y'all, I love flaming hots on my pizza. Ever since I tried it one time, it's like I be craving it. Even though they be falling off and stuff, but and this pizza homemade, I made it.
Everything we eat is homemade. So, but the fries, we just bought them and baked them. Yeah. Now what we put in?
I found this thing.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. Like, share this video. Smash that like button. Hit that bell for more videos. You know.
I found this thing. It's like,
What you say?
I said I found this thing, and it's like basically questions about yourself. You can say pass, like if you don't want to answer the question. But let's start off with something the YouTube viewers might not know about you.
I mean, I have made a video before. Like when I first started, I told y'all a little bit about me. But if y'all want me to do an update, I will. It's gonna take some time because, you know, my head, everything I say don't come out right. So I gotta, you know. What I don't know, like, something that I don't know. What y'all don't know? They probably on there like, what do we know? They probably don't know nothing. Y'all don't know that I have, well, y'all probably do know that I got 2 sisters and 2 bros. But y'all talking about something bigger than that, like, like what? Like, I work a 9-to-5 job. I don't do YouTube. I could take it serious, but it's like, you know, my supporters is not
Very supportive.
as loyal as I want you to be. I mean, I know it takes, like, I gotta work on my channel, you know, drop more videos and stuff like that, but that's what I'm trying to do. But I need more support too.
Yes.
Another thing, which I don't know. What can I say? Do y'all know that I'm a Virgo? My birthday just passed. It was last month on the 19th. You can wish me happy belated birthday if you want to. Drop it down below in the comments, you know. My favorite movies is scary movies, horror, you know, same thing. What else?
Let's go to another question.
Because I can't think of none right now. Like, I can't, it's not coming to my head.
Who do you text the most?
Lex.
Why?
Because I text Lex the most because if I don't text her back, it's gonna be a problem.
Excuse me.
So
she focused. You supposed to be like, that's my
she probably gonna watch this like
really.
right. Deja done said something that she finna be on one.
Hey, my bad.
Talking about she gonna text me something when she see this.
She gonna be like, so you only text me because if you don't text me back, I'm gonna say
The
something?
most. Text her the most.
So,
Like, I don't gotta text her the most, but you know. I mean, I really don't talk to nobody. Y'all don't got no friends. You know, so I don't really talk to nobody else. So I can't text nobody else that much, you know. And yeah, there you go. There go your answer.
true.
Smack.
It's crazy because like I don't even smack, but every time I make a video, I'm smacking.
Me
Like,
too. Like,
when I eat on a regular basis, like I don't smack.
I know y'all be watching my videos like, dang, she be smacking, but it's like when I eat off camera, I do not smack. It's like this phone pick up everything.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is, I'm gonna say, The Code is Winning.
That's my favorite too, and Sweet Like Honey.
Yeah. Is they Zane books?
No, not neither one.
What's those? Sister Soldier.
One.
She
Code is Winning is
man.
Sister Soldier.
If y'all never read none of the books about Sister Soldier, check that out.
Yeah,
She the truth when she write.
I didn't read. I read The Code is Winning 2 times.
Like, that book is good, and you can picture everything in your head while you're reading it. Like,
Yeah, I was having a dream about like the book because it was so good.
you don't know what nobody look like, but you could picture it in your head.
Right.
Dang, I'm
Because they give you a good description.
Yeah.
Like, they describe the characters, like, down to a T. So, it's like you can visualize it. What's your favorite TV show?
I'm gonna say Power. It was Snowfall, but y'all need to come back with some more seasons because that show is really good. Like, it's really good.
You haven't even watched season 1.
I know. That's because I can't download.
I know, because you're out.
You could though. If
iCloud. I know I can. We should, and then we can
yeah,
watch
because
it.
I want to watch it. I didn't even know. I thought I was watching season 1.
Excuse me.
That show was really good. Like, it's the next thing to Power. Like, they on the same level. Like, it ain't.
But everybody say that Snowfall is better than Power. That's why I really have to watch it because
I mean,
I done heard a lot of people say that, like a lot. It's not just one
I'm not gonna
person.
say it's better, but it's definitely like it's up there, like with Power.
Yeah,
like,
it's in the same, you know.
It's really
Okay. Next question. What keeps you up at night?
YouTube. I would sit there and watch YouTube all night. Literally all night. I used to watch movies all the time, but it's like YouTube
That's what I
got
do.
me. Like,
Man, I watch movies all night. Like last night, I was up. I was watching Shadows. Even though I didn't see this movie so many times, I was up watching Shadows.
I seen that when I went to Tubi.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm finna watch this, but I started watching something else.
Like, I love that Jamaican accent. I love the way they talk. Like, they really be on some reckless ass shit.
Bumbleclaw.
I just cussed. I'm sorry. But they really reckless.
You can't say sorry to people. To them.
I know. Sorry, YouTube.
I mean, monetize. I'm gonna be getting paid for 2 videos. I do.
Girl, please, no. I ain't cussing the last one.
Is some still on?
No, I think that was the bathroom, the toilet.
Oh, yeah. Y'all, I barely ate it, but I'm getting full. Like,
me too. I haven't even
this
touched
happened every
these.
video I make. Right. Every video.
Who was your
Some
favorite?
just ran past this camera.
Swear.
Yeah, it was one. Hold on, let me see this.
Who was your favorite teacher and why?
My favorite teacher was, her name was Miss Helpin.
Girl, you really gonna go all the way back to first grade?
Alright, other than her.
Let's put like him.
In high school.
Who was your favorite high school teacher?
I forgot his name because he was new. Dang, I forgot his name, but he was my second hour. I think that was third hour. Second hour teacher. He was new. He was my favorite teacher because he was the only one who did something different with us every day. Like, we really was learning in that class. And that was my favorite teacher because he did different stuff. Like, he did stuff that I never did with any teachers. Like, but they fired him because all the kids started talking about him from each class. And the teachers, I guess they was hating. So they told, the word got out, and they fired him. But that was definitely my favorite teacher. I used to take notes in his class. I never take notes in nobody's class. Right? That's how you know it was. Like, I felt like I was really learning.
My favorite teacher was Mr. V.
I know she was gonna say that. You got Cheetos there. Girl, you can't scratch that out.
He was my favorite teacher because he really sit down with you and teach you. Like, he helped me pass my ECA, and I plus passed my ECA. Like, I plus passed it. He was my Algebra 1 teacher and my pre-cal teacher. And he was, like, only, like, what, 5 or 6 years older than us? And he was a real good teacher, though.
That's what was wrong with our school. They tried to take over and hire all these people that was 2, 3, 4, 5 years older than us.
Talking about 2, 3, 4. It wasn't like that. It was like 5,
5 and up.
4,
whatever.
3.
No.
No, it wasn't nothing like
they was messing with the students. Like, I cannot mess with somebody that I'm teaching. Like, it'll be weird. Like, I don't know what they was thinking, but they was in there. From the principals to the teachers.
literally.
For real. Like,
and then Miss Tazleen, now she knew what she was doing. They used to trip about like the stuff that we wear, but she used to stay wearing tight pants. Like, lady, just because you got on a suit, that don't mean you professional. Your suit is tight. Like, you can see the print of your pants.
She wore tight pants, tight skirts, all that.
Yeah.
But when we wear something, they putting us in school or something.
Definitely.
Like, it was crazy.
I don't know why these just started tasting funny to me. After I ate the pizza, it was like, tripping. I'm not tripping.
Y'all, I'm getting full. Like, I be trying to eat all this for y'all, but, man, I don't know.
I think my favorite is the mustard. The
Which one?
spicy mustard.
Oh, yeah. I like this and this the most.
It's a banger. Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, y'all.
I'm full. I'm literally full. This is sad because I haven't ate nothing all day. Like, oh, I did. I ate that spicy Alfredo.
I ate this little sandwich from Subway. And that was it. And I'm full. Like,
Me too. I'm crazy full. Like, oh my God.
I don't know why I'd be this full. Like,
It's unbelievable.
one day, one video, I'm gonna finish all this food for y'all. Like, I tried with them tacos. Like, no. I
I'm
tried.
full.
Man, I was so sick after that.
I'm just gonna be sick after this. I haven't ate nothing. Well, I ate half. I ate most of the thing. I ate pizza. I am full and I'm done.
I'm gonna take one more bite.
Nestle, girl, life is the best water. I don't care what nobody's saying. Smart water
Best
is nasty.
water.
Fiji water is nasty. Dasani, nasty. Aquafina, nasty. Ice Mountain, nasty. You could go and buy a pH thing for the water and test all your water out.
Y'all
Every
gonna
water
learn.
that I just said was yellow. That means it's bad. And Nestle is green. That means it's good. What else is good?
Evane. I think that y'all know what it is. That's good. You know that water? They got the blue top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Name, what is it called?
Evane.
No.
It's
I
Evane or
forgot.
something.
It's
What?
not no Evine or Evane. It's, I was going to say Enclave. That's a truck.
She tripping.
What else is good? Body Armor water
Yep.
is good.
The other water like Body Armor. It got a black top and it got black words on it.
Dang, what is it called?
It starts with an E, but it's a long. I don't know. I forget.
I don't know, but
Yeah, but that Fiji and stuff is not good.
no.
Stop drinking it because it look.
And stop comparing yourself to Aquafina and Dasani and stuff. That mean y'all
Trash. Y'all is no good. So
none.
if y'all ain't Nestle or Alkaline or all that.
Yeah, that's alkaline. That's good water.
Yeah, Alkaline.
Mm-hmm.
That's pure. Whatever. Pure water. Drink that. Get your body right. Get yourself right. Work out. Stay healthy. Stay clean. Stay blessed. And yeah, y'all, we gonna end this video off. I love y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Go follow her on Instagram and all that. Her stuff will be in the description
below.
And we gonna be out. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that giveaway. It's coming soon. And we out. Peace.